So welcome back to another floor sculpture video. So it's part 2 of Gilly's Skyline build. So we're building the RB25. Today we're going to be putting in the pistons, probably the oil pump as well, torque down the bottom end that we built. So if you want to go back to my last video, you'll see that we built the bottom end up. Like I say, today we're going to be putting the pistons in. Just want to say a massive thank you for all the support that you've been giving me and all the love. Love you guys, so thank you very much for all that. Yeah, it means a lot. And like I say, I want to thank Gilly as well for the content. So this will be building the engine, getting it in and getting the car running. Just want to make sure you get Gilly's car built and then it's on to mine. So anyway, enough rambling, let's get on and let's build it. Just lubing and holding down bolts because nobody likes going in dry.
Let's see. Bit of grease on.
There we go. Use lube so we can torque them down properly. So here we go, I'm going to torque her down first.
First stage of 40. Go opposite side, you know, yeah, go on. Right.
This is the last stage. So torquing them down to 52 Newton meters. So here's Gilly trying to rip a bit of cloth, and James as well. Who's going to do it first?
I've already done one.
Yeah, I know, but it's for the camera.
Hang on, you give me the wrong end.
Yay, he's done it. Here we go, here's the Wiseco Pistons and the Manley rods. And they're going in there. Very, very manly. So at the moment James is just setting the piston ring gaps. These have already been assembled. Installations are there. So just making sure that they haven't moved, and if they have, just setting them back before we put them in the piston, putting them in the bores, not in the pistons.
You put the shell in as well, don't you?
Yep. Michelle's. Right, so the shell's going in. So these are ACL conrod bearings. Standard.
Do you want me to do it?
You're the godfather at this, you've got to do it.
Some lube. Plenty of lube there. Shouldn't it?
I think so. So there is actually an indicator. So we've actually marked these as well, or Gilly and James has. But the dot goes towards the front.
Bit of oil, when he's put a smear of oil Can't put some down again.
So these are the instructions I was talking about. This tells you if it'll zoom and focus. This is your gaps. What you set them at? So that's the first piston in. So she's all lined up. And one thing to note is that when the machine shop did the work on the head, or the block should I say, that actually set the piston ring gaps as well, so we didn't have to mess about with that. Yeah, so on to the next one, James.
Yeah.
So there's Gilly, he's just making a cake. Just lubing up the balls with oil before we put the pistons in. Conrod caps going in. You finished yours yet, Gil?
Yeah, it's tight.
Tight, finger tight.
That's it then, at top.
Then 4 more pistons to go in. Caps on number 2. James is just lubing up the shell.
That is like that. Bless him. Go for it.
Two more pistons to go in, and then we're done. Then we can torque them down to spec. And there we have it. All 6 pistons in. Notice little dots should be at the front, or to the front of the mower. Right. All the end caps on now. So they need to be torqued down to spec, which we'll do in a second. Hey guys, back at home now. I forgot to do the outro at James's yard, but yeah, I hope you're enjoying the build on the RB. It's not a Honda, I know, but it's still Jap, and it's for a good cause. It's for Gilly. Really buzzing for Gilly, to be fair. Just want him to get his car back on the road. He's had a bit of bad luck with it at the moment, so yeah, hopefully get it built right and get it on the road for him. But yeah, just so you know, there is obviously the Honda content coming up, and I'll put a video up on Sunday, so that's next Sunday when you see this, and yeah, it'll be with the EG, and hopefully we could have an engine for the EP3, but yeah, still negotiating at the moment. But like I say, I'll keep you posted, and yeah, stay safe, peace. Purple Lamborghini lurking.